How do you think our first batch turned out? I don't think we should speak of this ever again. Oh, okay. We haven't been outside in about a week. Both of us have been sick. I was sick for a few days. Rina was sick for a few days after that. It feels really good to be outside again. And today is a special day because today is Rina's birthday! Yay! We've been hunting for glasses for Rina for a few days now. We've gone to various different eyeglass shops and shopped online and haven't found a pair that we like, except for one. And that pair doesn't work because apparently Rina's eyes are too close together. So they can't cut the lens to fit her in these larger eyeglasses. So today we're gonna go to a few other shops in hopes that they'll have something that fits her. Oh, and we're going to a cat cafe.
Current lens, but you can change frame.
What do we think? I kind of like these ones.
Thin frame.
You like the thin frames? Well, we didn't find the glasses we were hoping to find at that place. Sunyan Cat Cafe. Are you excited?
First time
Cat Cafe. Me too. It smells a little bit like a cat in here. Look at this big boy. Hi. Oh, sorry, I scared you. Too much? Are you friendly? Okay, he doesn't look too friendly. And they have profiles about each of the cats' personalities. Hi, pretty baby. Again. Not interested at all. So far, none of the cats at the cat cafe seem to really enjoy company that much. She's being attacked by cats. Two more here. Share, you gotta share. Here you go, buddy. How are you, Orange? What? Finally, she can touch a cat. Come here. They only like us when we have snacks, unfortunately.
It's usual.
This one's so pretty. This one's also so pretty. Come here. Come here.
When I stop petting, stop.
Finally, we have one that loves attention. How'd you like it?
It was cute.
It was pretty cute.
So cute.
I wish the cats were a little more friendly, but I understand they're stray cats and they probably had a tough life before that, so it's okay. All right, we're at Aeon Mall? A-E-O-N Mall.
Your mom.
Aeon Mall. What do we think? All right, not at that one. On to the next one.
Just square.
Yeah, a little bit square. All right, on to store 4.
Oh,
4.
what do you think?
Actually, I like those ones. Yes.
It's nice, right? It's nice. I feel it.
All right. Unfortunately, we did find some glasses we liked at that one, except for that they don't have the special tint for under
Cheek.
the eyes for the cheek.
Lens.
I don't know if they have this in the US, but in Japan, it's getting popular where you can buy glasses with like half tint, so it looks like your cheeks have blush on them. You don't need to do your makeup as much. We've exhausted our optometry resources for today. So we're headed back home. We're gonna stop and buy some ingredients for cookies.
Too much butter.
4 tablespoons.
I don't have a tablespoon.
56 or 57 grams. Check this out, y'all. They already break the butter into 10-gram increments. We don't really know how these cookies will turn out because the flour is not all-purpose flour. They've got different flour here. They don't have baking soda. They only have baking powder. And at least in the dollar stores, they don't have a standard cookie sheet. So this is like a crumb catcher basically for toaster ovens, but I figured if we butter this surface, it should work the same. That's a lot of butter.
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Can that be right? This is a lot of butter.
Yeah.
For 6 cookies.
Because cookie.
All right, we've checked 2 sites now. Both said 60 grams, which is like 2/3 of a stick of butter. For 6 cookies, that's a lot of fucking butter. I guess I don't bake cookies very often, but that feels like a lot.
A lot of sugar, a lot of butter. It's American cookie.
Yeah, maybe. We are making 6
Thank you.
cookies. This is how much butter we have. Hand for scale. This is how much butter we have. This is how much sugar we have. This is almost as much sugar as we have flour. It's half sugar. There's no way that can be correct. Something is wrong. This is wrong. American sugars have might as well call them sugars. American cookies have a lot of sugar. We were supposed to mix the sugar and the butter, but it's too late.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's 2.5.
I think it's less than 2.5, but you have me worried, so it's the same. All the directions are US measurements. We have none of that. Do you think this is 3? She said yes, I trust her. We're supposed to use baking soda, but also I forgot we are making this at half. Everything is a little bit off.
Mama.
So let's see. We did 1 egg. We should have done half an egg.
It's okay. Egg is a lot enough. It's okay.
It's our own special Rina birthday cookies.
Dough is correct.
The dough? No, the dough is wrong. There's too much egg. It's too wet. We should have bought more flour just in case. You want to make fun of me for eating the cookie dough?
No, just I don't believe it.
The Japanese do not eat raw ingredients. Which, I mean, I understand, yeah, licking it off your fingers is kind of gross. But cookie dough is delicious. I mean, they'll probably taste good, but... How do you think our first batch turned out?
Good.
Wait till you guys see how good these cookies turned out. I did not think they would turn out this good, given the constraints we're working with here. Check this out. What was 3 cookies is now 1 cookie. 1 $5 foot-long cookie. I failed to mention, we're also making these in a toaster oven, not actually an oven.
Looks.
Oh, great. Perfect. It's good for ice cream. Hell yeah. This is... Hey, happy birthday!
Thank you, Ruin.
Oh my goodness, look at this cookie.
Cookie. This one is
Sure.
better.
Yeah. That's not a good reaction. I think it's good. It's just very soft. I'm almost too embarrassed to put this on the internet.
I wanted to give my mother, but I can't show.
Yeah, I don't think we can give this to your mom. It's pretty pathetic looking. These ones, we added some flour and we added some more baking powder. As you can see, they're still very wet, but maybe.
Ice cream with cookie.
With
Kiddo.
what should be a cookie. I don't think we should speak of this ever again. They're a lot better than the first ones.
Better.
We're gonna chance it. We're putting them in longer. The lighting in here is fluorescent, so they're not gonna look as good as what they probably should look. But either way, at least they look like cookies this time. The final taste test.
Yay!
First of all, it's a little fragile, but it came up all as one cookie.
Oh, nice.
It almost tastes like a sugar cookie. Again, I don't make these often, so I don't know if this is the intention of the recipe or if we fucked it up. Not a bad birthday cookie in Japan.
It's good. Oishi. Delicious.
You think so? Are you lying?
With ice, it's more good. My feeling.
Ice in Japan,
Ice.
they like to shorten things, so ice cream becomes ice.
With ice is more good.
We're not talking about border control.